Today, we're gonna fill potholes in the snow. Easy Street's all weather, snow, slush, water, 4 simple steps. Order Easy Street, sweep, fill, compact. I'm gonna grab my broom so we can start the second step. Step 2, sweep. So, doesn't matter if there's snow, we'll sweep it out. If there's ice, we'll chip it out. If there's water, Easy Street will displace it. The reason we want to clean it is because we want Easy Street to properly adhere to the surface. All right, now we have some snowpack going on, so it's not quite how I want it. I'm gonna go grab a shovel and chip out some of this snowpack on here. All right, now the surface is roughed up. I like how my edges are exposed. Lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep. Step 3, fill. Leaving 1 inch of crown. We have a heart-shaped pothole. Now we're gonna begin our secondary road compaction, step 4. Roll over it a few times. Easy Street will find its way to every edge of the pothole. And once your patch is level with your existing asphalt, you're good to move on. Easy Street, showing potholes who's boss in all weather. Thanks, Easy Street. Guaranteed permanent.